Welcome to my channel. Today I will change the oil of this Lexus RX 350. It's a 2015 model. There, it's a RX 350. I'm using this Mobile One 0W-20. That is the recommended weight of this Lexus, and I'm using a Mobile One fully synthetic oil for 10,000 miles, guaranteed. And the manufacturer recommend 6 months or every I think it's like 6,000 miles, something like that. I don't remember, but I change the oil of this Lexus every year because I don't use that much. I use most of my tow trucks. I only use this for weekend and like long drives. And I'm using this filter, this ultra synthetic filter also. So this is the combination I'm using, and the capacity of this is 6 US quart. So this one is 5. That's 5 quarts, and then one more on the other one. So so this is the one I'm using, and I'm using this one and get this what you call oil drain for the filter. I already removed this drain plug. It's 14 millimeter, and I need to remove this cover. I already loosened up later before, and I used this 3/8 square socket. So remove it. So I remove it and insert this plastic to drain the oil in there before you open it. There, see, it drain all the oil. So when you remove this, it will not split. It will not split. I'm sorry about it. Will not spill the remaining oil in that canister. So there, I will just wait till it empty the canister. Every time I change the oil of my vehicle, I always use paper towel, and all of my vehicles I use Mobile One fully synthetic. Even with my children, my kids, my daughter and my son, when I change their oil, I use a fully synthetic oil for their car. So we'll just wait. So I already removed this, uh, the the filter canister. Remove the oil of the old one. Okay. And remove this old O-ring. Remove this one, and also remove this. Swipe a little bit like that. As you can see, the oil is not that dirty, because I think after 1 year I only drive like I think like approximately 4,000 miles on this vehicle. But you know, after a year I need to replace it, even though the oil is still okay. But you know, because of the condensation, I think there is water already in there. So okay, there. Then I need to put this one, wet it a little bit on oil. You know, remember where you remove it. It's there. So like that. Then the other one. This one is the a different filter. I did not remove it before. I just use it, you know, like that. But now I need to replace. Some people, they don't change that every oil change, but what will you do to this one? So there, I replace it anyway. Okay. Okay. So like that, and then I put I always put a little bit of oil there to avoid dry run on the filter. Oh. Okay. So I always put oil inside the canister, since you will insert it like that. So when you start, you have already oil in there. Wipe that thing, the other side of the canister a little bit, and put in there. manually until it reaches the tight a little bit. I don't have wrench on to use on this one, so I just use my monkey wrench. Anyway, it's just like a snug fit, so you don't tight it that much. Just snug fit like that, and let the O-ring do the work. Even this one, just a snug fit. And the O-ring will do the the sealing, not too tight. Okay, and put back the plug. The washer still look good. I changed it last time. I changed the oil of this one. So there. So this one is a little bit tighter. There. Okay, so wipe those oil down here. Now it's time to pour fill up this what you call engine oil. Okay, I pour a six quart of oil in there, so let's start it. Let's check if there's leak on those okay, so that is the canister, and that is the drain plug. It looks like there's no leak. It's okay. As you can see, the underneath of this engine is dry, so there is no sign of leak on this one. Look okay. And then now we have to turn it off and check the dipstick to see the engine oil level once I bring it down from that what you call those, I forget the name of this. Okay, so anyway, so that is ramp. These are ramp, my ramp, I forget the name. So they are ramp. Okay, so that is how you change oil for this Lexus 2015 model. It's a RX 350. It's almost 7 years old now, but it's still good. Still drive like a brand new. So please click the like. Please like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.